If you love Arab food, you have to try Sayadiah, Lebanon's answer to the ultimate seafood and rice dish. It's rich, fragrant, packed with deep caramelised onion flavour and traditionally made with some type of white fish. But in my recipe, I take it up a notch with prawns and a homemade stock that makes all the difference. That's the secret to what makes, I think, my Sayadiah great, the stock. A lot of people skip this step, but trust me, it's what gives this dish a beautiful depth. I start by simmering the fish bones and head, prawn shells, onions, celery and spices, extracting out every bit of flavour. This broth is liquid gold and it's what takes the rice from simple to incredible. Sayadiah is also about those deep caramelized onions. Some people cook them until dark brown, giving the dish a rich color. Others keep them lighter for a more delicate taste. I like mine somewhere in between. Once they're ready, I toast the rice, with cumin, cinnamon and white pepper. Before pouring in that flavourful stock. Now let's talk seafood. Here I'm using snapper fillets. Sometimes I do use barramundi. I'm also adding prawns for extra variety. A quick sear with paprika, salt and pepper and a squeeze of lemon gives them the perfect balance of smoky and fresh. Now for my favourite part, bringing it all together, I pile that fluffy spiced rice onto a platter, topped with the fish and prawns. And those reserved caramelised onions, then a generous handful of toasted nuts for a final layer of texture and flavour. This is Sayadiah my way, deeply flavourful, slightly untraditional but absolutely delicious. If you've never made this before, now's the time. I like to serve it with a fresh salad, a little of that green salsa, it's so good. Let me know if you try it.